Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you 4 ways to factory reset your iPhone. Let's get started. The first method is suitable when you have access to the iPhone system. Open the settings, scroll down and select General Settings. After scroll down again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next select Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. After enter your passcode and confirm that you want to reset all settings. This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. Also, you can erase all content and settings, tap on it. Erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. Absent data, Apple ID, Find My will be safely removed from this iPhone. Continue, enter the passcode. I recommend to make backup of your data to iCloud before you erase your iPhone. After you back up your data, tap on Erase Anyway. If you haven't the access to your iPhone operating system, then connect the iPhone to your MacBook and open the Finder application. After find your connected iPhone, tap on it, and you can restore iPhone from Finder. Restore iPhone. Pay attention that Find My must be turned off before iPhone can be restored. Go to iCloud settings and turn off Find My before restoring your iPhone. Find the Find My application, open Devices, tap on iPhone, scroll down, and we can erase this device from Find My. If you haven't access to your iPhone operating system, then you can open the web page icloud.com/find, sign in to your account, sign in, done, open all devices, select your iPhone, and erase your iPhone from here. You can restore your iPhone from Finder, or you can update your iPhone. Find My iPhone has been turned off. iPhone can no longer be located, locked, or erased. And now you can restore your iPhone. Before you restore your iPhone, you can back up your important data on your iPhone to iCloud, or you can back up all of the data to your Mac. To do this, tap on Back Up Now. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck. See you next time.